Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rapid Maths Trick. Today we would learn how to find square root using long division method. Problem 1. Find the square root of 529. Let's start. First, we will form two groups from right hand side containing the digits 5 and 29. We will start with the first group containing the digit 5. Now, we will find the perfect square which is smaller to 5, that is 4, obtained by multiplying 2 with 2. Next, we put 2 in the divisor column and 2 in the quotient column and write their product 4 below 5. Now, we subtract 4 from 5. We get remainder as 1. Next, the remainder 1 cannot be divided by 2. So we bring down the next group of digits 29 and make it new dividend. Next, we add the quotient 2 with divisor 2 and make it 4. Now, the new dividend is 129 and the new divisor is 4. Now, we will compare 4 with 12. As we know, 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. So we will write the number 3 next to 4. Now, we will multiply 43 with its suffix, that is 3, and get 129 as the answer. Now, on multiplying 43 with 3, we get remainder equal to 0. Therefore, the square root of 529 is 23. Problem 2. Find the square root of 6561. Let's start. First, we will form two groups from right hand side containing the digits 65 and 61. We will start with the first group containing the digit 65. Now, we will find the perfect square which is smaller to 65, that is 64, obtained by multiplying 8 with 8. Next, we put 8 in divisor column and 8 in the quotient column and write their product 64 below 65. Now, we subtract 64 from 65. We get remainder as 1. Next, the remainder 1 cannot be divided by 8. So we bring down the next group of digits 61 and make it new dividend. Next, we add the quotient 8 with divisor 8 and make it 16. Now, the new dividend is 161 and the new divisor is 16. Now, we compare 16 with 16. As we know, 16 multiplied by 1 equals to 16. So we will write the number 1 next to 16. Now, we will multiply 161 with its suffix, that is 1, and get 161 as the answer. Now, on multiplying 161 with 1, we get remainder equals to 0. Therefore, the square root of 6561 is 81. Problem 3. Find the square root of 656. Let's start. First, we will form two groups from right hand side containing the digits 6 and 56. We will start with the first group, containing the digit 6. Now, we will find the perfect square, which is smaller to 6, that is 4, obtained by multiplying 2 with 2. Next, we put 2 in the divisor column and 2 in the quotient column and write their product 4 below 6. Now, we subtract 4 from 6. We get remainder as 2. Next, we add the quotient 2 with divisor 2 and make it 4. Next, the remainder 2 cannot be divided by 4. So we bring down the next group of digits 56 and make it new dividend. Now, the new dividend is 256 and the new divisor is 4. Now, we will compare 4 with 25. As we know, 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. So we will write the number 5 next to 4. Now, we will multiply 45 with its suffix, that is 5, and get 225 as the answer. Now, on multiplying 45 with 5, we get remainder equal to 31. Next, we add the quotient 5 with divisor 45 and make it 50. Hence, we cannot continue the division with 31 as a remainder and 50 as a dividend. Hence, we divide 31 by 50 and get the answer as 0.62. Now, the quotient already obtained is 25 and the answer obtained in previous step is 0.62. Hence the complete answer is 25.62. Therefore, the square root of 656 is 25.62. Now, I will give you some question for practice. First, find the square root of 961. Second, find the square root of 12,321. Third, find the square root of 700. For any queries, please comment below, and we would reply to your queries. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Rapid Maths Tricks for more knowledgeable videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. In this video, we completed square root, and in next video we will cover multiplying any number by 5.